Just want to share my little home-built rock tumbler here. I actually hand-built it out of cold-rolled steel 3/4 inch rods with pillow block bearings, an old low RPM gear drive motor, and a bunch of salvaged barrels that I bought actually in different collections and stuff like that. I have my own that I made, and right now the hexagon barrels actually work the best. So I have the big barrel in the back is, it says 45 pounds, but there's about 60 pounds of about 3 to 4 inch facet grade smoky quartz and Bolivia in there. This guy's got Pennsylvania Williamsite in it, This one's got native copper in it. This one's got native copper in it. This one's got smaller smoky quartz in it, and this one has kaleidoscope jasper. So they're actually all at various stages, but last night my friend Wes and I came up, and him and I actually added in these pillow block bearings so we could put more weight on here because it's such a long spanse. It's an 8-foot spanse, the tumbler, and I plan on actually putting a chain drive on here this week, and then actually moving this set of rollers over and putting another set parallel with it, but on chain drive, so I'll add more torque at a lower RPM with a double chain, and I could run actually quite a few more drums because I have, as you can see, there's some home-built drums, there's more drums, and they're all over the place. But and there's tons to tumble. I have about 2,000 pounds of aquamarine I'd like to tumble at some point. So if any of you guys have any questions or help building one of these, it costs me, not including the drums and the motor I actually salvaged from an old rock tumbler, but for the mild steel and all the pillow block bearings, and if you can see these little, basically they're to keep the barrels separated. They're I took a 1-inch bearing and put it on a quarter 20 bolt, and then just threaded them through as spacers in between them, so that way they act as guides to keep everything in line. And some of them needed 2 of them, like down in there. And everything included might have been, maybe $100. And the rubber tubing I used like a hydraulic hose. So, but well, hope you guys enjoy. This guy over here actually needs a bearing on, I gotta put on the side of him on an angle, so to stop from that little clamp from knocking against the side of the pillow block. But other than that, they're running smooth.